Oh, hi guys, welcome to this Moneycontrol live stream. You're watching Midday Market Mood Check with me, Nandita, Khemka, and my colleague Yatin, Mota. Well, Yatin, it's an extremely rainy day here in Mumbai, but the sun seems to be shining on the last street. Given the fact that we are very close to that 19,900 level, we've hit a fresh record today as well. Sensex above 67,200 mark. In fact, even the Nifty Mid Cap Index has hit a fresh high today. If you look at the advanced decline ratio, firmly in favor of gainers.
Correct.
And broader markets, as I mentioned, doing extremely well. Sectorally, pharma is doing well, FMCG is doing well, but what's not doing well is the IT pack ahead of Infosys numbers that will be declared after markets today. So that's that. But if you look at other gainers, you have the likes of ITC. That
Yeah.
company has hit a 6 lakh crore market cap for the first time ever. In fact, Dr. Reddy is also gaining on the back of Srikakulam unit clearing US FDA test without any observation. So that stock is the top Nifty gainer. You had Reliance trading ex Geo Financial Services.
Yes.
So that stock also gaining 1.5% or thereabouts. Sun and Cipla are the other gainers. So pharma as a basket doing extremely well. On the losing front, Infosys is the top Nifty gainer, down about 2% or thereabouts. Loser, down 2% or thereabouts ahead of first quarter earnings. We'll talk about the earnings in details in a bit. But HCL Tech, Ultratech Cements, TCS, iSure, all of them are among the losers today. But let's talk about Infosys. First quarter numbers are
Yes.
expected to be muted. But if you look at the revenue, CC revenue, it's expected to come in at somewhere around 0.7% on a sequential basis, which is expected to be better than peers like HCL Tech and Wipro. TCS, in fact, had zero CP margin growth. So that is something that we will be watching out for. On the guidance front, Infosys is expected to tighten its revenue guidance from 4 to 7% to 4 to 6%.
Yeah.
And when it comes to EBIT margins, they are expected to maintain it around 20 to 22%. And of course, we'll be watching out for commentary on deal wins and demand environment and how after senior level exits, if there is any issue with execution as well. So that is
Correct.
something we'll be watching out for. But let's talk about a little bit about Reliance, the Geo Financial Services discovery price. You
Yeah.
want to talk about it a bit?
So I think Reliance shares, were down by nearly 9% on adjusted basis. So yes, the markets are probably ascribing a value in excess of 250 rupees for Geo Financial Services. In general, we have seen share price of Reliance post the adjustment also surged by nearly 1.5%. So the traction really is in Reliance Industries.
Yeah.
So let's see what really does happen as far as Geo's listing is concerned.
Yeah.
Probably that will take 2 to 3 months minimum due to the regulatory procedure. But what's doing well in the mid-cap space is the Polycap stock is up 6%, top FNO gainer, and ever since the results have come, the shares have surged nearly 500 rupees.
Yeah.
So very strong move coming in for Polycap.
Yeah.
NAM India, HDFC AMC, Birla AMC, all of these stocks are surging on the back of CNBC TV18 exclusive that SEBI will be publishing the consultation paper, which is a new consultation paper on the total expense ratio. So let's see whether or not it's a relief for the AMC companies, because it's a much awaited policy paper which is awaited. Apart from that, ABB is down 6.5% after ABB Global announced their quarterly numbers, in which single-digit growth is seen for Indian order book. Probably that has disappointed the street, and the stock is down 6%. Zensar Technologies after quarterly earnings is down 4%, and so is Amara Raja Batteries after yesterday's block deal. Stock is down another 4%. So some bit of disappointing move coming in from those stocks. What's doing well apart from these stocks is Suzlon, Policy Bazaar, Century Textiles. In fact, Century Textiles yesterday in the conference call spoke well about their real estate plans and new launches in the next 1 to 2 financial years. So clearly that stock is also in focus for day to day.
All right, Yatin, another Nifty company will be reporting earnings today, HUL. I haven't really mentioned it till now. It may see a 5 to 6% volume growth on a YY basis. In fact, margins are likely to be cushioned given the fact that raw material prices or commodity prices have eased off. So that's something that we'll be watching out for. Of course, I think, will it be Rohit Java's first press conference after taking over? So a lot of demand commentary when it comes to rural demand recovery trajectory. That is something that the street will be watching out for. And of course, in the second half, we will see whether or not we manage to gain more traction when it comes to the index. Of course, yesterday the Nifty or the markets will be reacting to two big numbers, HUL and Infosys. So whether or not we hit that 20,000 mark tomorrow itself or not, That's something that we'll be watching out for tomorrow. But of course, on Money Control, we'll be getting you live coverage on the Infosys Q1 performance and of course the press conference that will take place at 4:30 p.m. So don't forget to tune in for that. And at 3:30 p.m. we'll be getting you all the market action post closing. So tune in for that as well. But for now, I think it's a goodbye from me and Yatin. Thanks a lot for watching. But for more news and updates, stay tuned to Money Control.